Ni pinas ko bhai phi baro session part chakanika channel ka jongi ban hakanika video in pe yakanika post ka banang shulai thamai po Meghalaya. Shabang insdang yakanika video sngobha subscribe yakanika channel but turn on your new notification bell kanang bapinumdo yaki videos ki bangi upload. Pila ru ban follow yangi hapo ka Instagram kanika ka Instagram account ka jongi. Yakanika post lapalai daka Meghalaya State Rural Employment Society lanika Meghalaya SRES mentau benai arajar arpuar. Kakerteng jangan nika post kedai ombudsperson. Kelas date lanika tarik bakado bapila ban somen yiki applications ki jangpi. Kedai haushi tarik benai February arajar arpuar. Yakan nika post ombudsperson ka salary lanika tolap kedai 10,000 kshi benai. Kajaka jang posting kedai ha East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, South West Khasi Hills, East Jenta Hills, Ribhoi, North Garo Hills, South Garo Hills, South West Garo Hills, East Garo Hills, baka West Garo Hills. Ka upper age limit kadai 100 plus 6. Ka educational qualification kalong kumne. Peladi ban pendap ya ka graduation, hakano ka discipline. But can I preference bah ya gitu ki badan ya ka educational background haka development, but ya gitu ki badan ya ka knowledge, but ya ki skills haka computer. Ya kan ka post dan kam minimum ship house 6 experience haka public administration, law, academics, social work, lane management. Ki candidates ki belong eligible bagi bakwa ban apply kan ka post pihak ban submit ya ki kerteng educational qualifications but ki address syakani ka office jang ka additional mission director State Rural Employment Society Meghalaya Shillong Shwalane haka shitarik benai February arajar arpuar. Ka official notification lani ka official notice ngalai po description juga ni ka video di sungpa download ya ka bat pulih kenapa pintu syusuk sepangki wiki details.